So I have a quick video. This is more like a friendly help video. I had a problem where my what's up with my camera? My Facebook suddenly got into a different language. I just couldn't figure it out because I couldn't find the language. So what you have to do is you have to go to here, look for the. You have to go to your profile, where is the account, and then you click on where you find the wheel, and then let me see. Now I set it a different language to illustrate it, and of course it's hard to find it. Make that up igen. Let me see. Here, you find this one down here on the side, and then it says one of them will say something like language of account. In this, I set it to Bisaya, just as an example, and you will get a list like this. And most likely this is wrong, but you will have examples up here that shows you how it's supposed to be. So you can just click on, for instance, in my case, US, and OK, and then it will reload, and then voila, you have everything back into English or your preferred language. So I just wanted to make a short video and show you that. Please like and subscribe if you like my channel.